Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add before and after slider to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on a site called Elementor. Elementor is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is before after slider. So let's go to top right, sign up for free. Now we want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook or normal mail. And when you do it, you just want to log in, right? When you sign up, click login here. And here you want to scroll down to search, and you just want to write before. And you're going to see it here, before and after slider. Let's click on it. Now you get options to go with simple comparison, retouch, slider, list of works. You can go with a simple comparison. I will have it. So you can go also with a product comparison. Continue with the template. Now you just change the sets here. You have docs here right now, but I can change that before image and after image, right? I'm not going to do it, but you get an idea. You just upload the two photos. You change the settings, the layout, the style, the background, and everything. And just go to top right. Right when you do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're going to have 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go with the basic pro enterprise. Let's copy the code here. You just write search widget, take the HTML, paste it, and paste the code. And voila, here you got it. So I'm going to preview the changes and look how beautiful it looks. See? Amazing. And you can you need to have 2 photos without background that you can edit like this and move. And this looks awesome. Right? So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. Stuff like that, you know how it goes, you know how it is. And yeah. See ya.